This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Knight. Check out this 3-bedroom 2-bath home located in the community of Wedgewood in Grand Island. This community even has its own well. Centrally located near lakes, public boat ramps, parks, medical, shopping, schools and restaurants. This home features a spacious living room and breakfast nook in the kitchen. The split floor plan offers the master bedroom and bath on one side of the living room while the 2 bedrooms and second bath are on the other side. Exit through the sliding glass door in the living room to find the screened-in porch, great for entertaining friends and family. Be sure to check out the homemade stone grill outside just off-screen porch. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.